Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi, and welcome to my series of 30 days with This Curvi Yogi. And today we are going to work on triangles and twists. So grab a block and your mat and let's get into it. So we'll start in mountain pose. It comes to the top of your mat. Feet about hip distance apart. Arms down by your side, palms face forward. So we'll step that right foot back. Plant it down, bend the front knee, reach the arms up, coming into warrior one. And we'll open to warrior two. So back foot is in line with the short edge of the mat. Front knee is still bent. Gazing over the front fingertips. And we'll straighten the front leg. Reach forward and down, coming into triangle. And triangle is a twist. So here we're just going to open and close the arms. So from here, you're going to bring that right arm down to meet the left, and then back up. Bring it down, and back up. One more time, down, and back up. And from here, we're just going to do some triangle dips. So we're going to reach back up. Front knee is still straight. Reach forward and down. And then reach back up. Forward and down. One more time, reaching up. And then forward and down. Coming back up. Bend the front knee, warrior two. And we'll step forward. We'll do that all on the opposite side. So starting in mountain pose. We'll step the left foot back this time. Plant it down. Bend the front knee. And reach the arms up, warrior one. And we'll open to warrior two. And then straighten the front knee, reach forward and down. Remember, you can always put a block underneath your hand. Always do what is best for you. So we'll do the same action here. So bringing that left arm down to meet the right. And then opening up. Down. And up. Last time, down. And up. And then we'll come back up into warrior two. Straighten the front knee. This time we're going to do our triangle dips. So reach forward and down. And then reaching back up. Forward, down. And reaching back up. Forward, down. Back up. Bend the front knee, warrior two one last time. And step forward. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a like and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Down below, hit the bell so that you can get all of my notifications. And I will see you guys in my next video.